Do you know how many times McDonald's changed their logo? You are about to discover the chaotic evolution this fast food chain has gone through. Once upon a time, in the 1940s, Richard and Maurice McDonald opened a small drive-in restaurant in California. They revolutionized the fast food industry by streamlining their kitchen and focusing on speed and efficiency. In 1952, the brothers decided to franchise their concept, and they needed a logo to represent their brand. They turned to a local graphic designer named Jim Schindler, who came up with a simple, striking design: two golden arches that formed an M. Fun fact behind the letter M in the McDonald's logo is that it represents the arches of the first McDonald's restaurant, which had a unique architectural design incorporating two golden arches. The original logo was black and white, but in 1960, the company decided to introduce color. They chose a bright, bold palette of red and yellow, which has become synonymous with the McDonald's brand. The new logo was displayed prominently atop their restaurants, and it was an instant success. Over the years, the logo has gone through several iterations. In the 1960s and 1970s, it featured the Speedee character, a chef who embodied the quick service philosophy of the brand. Then, in the 1980s, the arches became more abstract, with a sleeker, simplified design. Today, the McDonald's logo is one of the most recognizable in the world. It's a symbol of fast food, but it's also a cultural icon that represents American convenience and ingenuity. The company has used the logo to promote everything from Happy Meals to global sporting events. So that's the story of the McDonald's logo, a simple design that has become a global phenomenon. Whether you love or loathe fast food, there's no denying the power of that bright red and yellow M. Do you agree? Let us know in the comments. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel Once Upon a Brand to keep up with all the juicy secrets and stories about the biggest brands in the world. Thanks for watching.